In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GitHub Copilot Workspace to turn your ideas into functional code faster than ever. We'll walk through the full process from starting a task to submitting your work for review so you can see how Copilot Workspace fits into a real development workflow in a simple and practical way. To begin, sign into your GitHub account and open the Copilot Workspace dashboard. This is where the entire experience starts, and it acts as the main place for planning, generating, and reviewing code. If you're new to the interface, take a quick moment to get familiar with the layout before moving forward. Next, choose the repository you want to work in. From there, you can either select an existing open issue or enter a brand new task that you want to complete. This is useful because it gives Copilot clear direction. If you already manage work through issues, selecting one helps connect the task directly to your project. If not, typing a new task lets you start from an idea just as easily. Once your task is selected, click Generate Plan. At this stage, Copilot analyzes the code base and creates a detailed specification for how the task can be completed. This is an important step because it turns a rough request into a more structured plan. Instead of jumping straight into code, you get a clearer preview of what changes may happen and why. After the plan is generated, read through the specification carefully. You can revise any steps that don't match what you want, and you can also add extra context if needed. This helps guide the tool more effectively and improves the quality of the final result. Think of this as your chance to align the plan with your actual intent before any code is written. When everything looks good, click Generate Code. Copilot will then make the necessary changes across multiple files in your project. This can save a lot of time, especially for tasks that involve updates in several places at once. Still, it's a good habit to remember that generated code should always be reviewed, just like code written by a teammate. After that, open the built-in cloud development environment to inspect the updated files and run your tests. This is where you verify that the implementation works as expected. Review the changes carefully, check for anything unexpected, and confirm that your project still behaves correctly. Once you're satisfied with the results, click Create Pull Request to submit your changes for review. That's it. From task selection to pull request, Copilot Workspace helps streamline the process and makes it easier to move from idea to implementation. Give it a try on your next project.